Understanding HTTP status codes in APIs.
The HTTP status codes are numbers returned by APIs to indicate the result of a request. They help developers quickly understand if an operation succeeded, failed, or needs further action. Learning to interpret these codes is essential for diagnosing problems in API calls and making your applications more reliable and robust.
Common client error codes, 400 and 404.
A tough 400 bad request means the API didn't understand your request, often due to invalid syntax or missing parameters. A 404 not found indicates the requested resource doesn't exist at the specified endpoint. To resolve these, double-check the request URL, parameters, and data format before resending.
Authentication errors, 401 and 403.
The chat occurs when authentication details are missing or incorrect. The 403 forbidden means you're authenticated but don't have permission for the action. Fix these by providing valid API keys, tokens, or credentials, and ensure your user account has the necessary permissions.
Server errors, 500 and 503.
A 500 internal server error signals a problem on the API server, not your code. A 503 service unavailable means the server is temporarily unable to handle requests. When these occur, retry later, check for scheduled maintenance, or report persistent problems to the API provider.
Tips for diagnosing and resolving API errors.
Always review the API documentation for guidance on request structure and required authentication. Use logging to capture error responses and troubleshoot quickly. Test your requests with API tools or command line utilities to isolate issues. Regularly handle and display errors gracefully in your application to improve user experience.